Hello. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up MongoDB database backup to Amazon S3 using an EC2 instance. So by the end of this video, we will have a reliable and automated backup solution in place. Let's get started. So first thing we are going to need is our S3 bucket. So and before that, we need the Amazon management console for that. So I'm just going into the S3 here, and for the demo purpose I have already created S3 bucket with the name of S3 Mongo bucket, and also I have created a folder in this S3 Mongo bucket with the name backup. Currently if you see, the folder is empty, so we are going to need this for storage purpose. And I'm going already have an IAM role in place. So I have created this IAM role for the S3 bucket access to our EC2 instance. So roles and S3 access, you can see here. And I have given it Amazon S3 full access here. And right now we need to launch our EC2 instance. So I'm going to instances, launch instance. I'm going to use Amazon Linux image here. With free tier eligible, I'm going to use 2 AMI HVM, and also the instance type would be T2 micro, free tier eligible. We are going to create a new key pair for our instance. My EC2 key. And I'm going to create CPK file for our putty. So we are going to use the putty tool for connecting to EC2 instance. Now, in advance, the IAM role which we have created, I am assigning that IAM role to my EC2 instance here, S3 access, and that's it. Need to launch the instance. So as you can see, it's showing in the pending stage right now. So we just need to wait for a couple of minutes or so, and it's going to get launched. Perfect, it's running. Now I'm going to connect to my EC2 instance with SSH client putty, and the username would be EC2 user. So I'm going to open my putty gen. Load my EC2 key, open, save private key. So I'm going to use my EC2 key with the extension .pem file and save. And I'm going to use now putty, open, and I need to go to my EC2 instance and copy the IP, public IP address here. I'm going to paste my IP address and I'm going to SSH into my EC2 instance with this credentials. So I'm going to browse and click on all files here. Alright, my EC2.pem. So I'm going to just rename this file with .pem extension. That's it. I'm going to use this file, say open, open, and accept. Login as EC2 user. Perfect. So right now we are in our EC2 instance. I'm going to update it real quick. And now we need to install our MongoDB database. So for that, I'm pasting one comment here. And then I'm again going to insert one file inside. Insert I just perfect. Zero escape. And then I'm going to run one command, which is sudo yum install -y mongodb-org and enter. And here we go. We are installing our EC2 instance now. And that's it, it's done. So there is a next command, which is sudo systemctl start mongod, which is going to start our mongod. But just for the confirmation purpose, I'm going to check the status of my mongod right now. So that's it. Yep, it's active and running. Now I'm going to go on MongoDB terminal, and there I'm going to create a database. Before that, I'm just checking the database which it already has inside it with the name of admin config and local. So I'm going to create one demo. My backup DB. Yes, I have created the database with the name of my backup DB, and I'm going to create a collection inside that. So DB create collection, and name would be demo collection. Enter. Okay, so I'm going to check again the databases. Sorry, oh, not show dbs. All right, so if you see here, we have our my backup db in place. I'm going to exit, and the next thing which we are going to do is we are going to create a directory. So I'm going to create a directory with the name of db backups plus. Yes, it's ready. And also I'm going to create a file with an extension sh, and which we are going to create which we are going to use for our backup script basically. So I'm typing nano mongo backup dot sh, nano mongo backup dot sh, enter. And I'm going to paste some commands here, which are basically the path. Copy. Okay, there are some things I need to fix before saving and exiting out. Perfect. So here we are going to create a backup storage. So whatever the backup will be created will be stored by the name of backup storage. And here I have given the S3 path where our backup going to store. This S3 path we can get in our S3 bucket. So you just need to go to your S3 bucket, and in there you need to go to your backup folder. And if you see this copy S3 URI, just copy that URI and simply paste it here, and that will be our path for right. Perfect. So after that I'm going to type a command chmod x equal backup, basically for the permission to run this file. Execute. Now just going to execute this file again. Mongo backup sh, enter. Perfect. So if you see our backup is created, done dumping. Perfect. So now I'm going to create a cron cron scheduler, basically to do this backup. For this demo purpose I'm going to create it for every minute. So cron tab -e command I'm going to use for this. Enter inside it, and there I'm going to write down one command, which is insert oops okay I here. So these stars if are basically for minute, hour, day, month, year. And if you go on the internet and search for cron tab guru, here you can see it will help you for this purpose, like if you need for like some every past 5 hours or something like that, so you can check it out here. For now we have enter this for every minute. I'm going to save this, escape, and again I'm going to run. And if, as you can see here, there are two files already have been created. So let's check our EC2 EC S3 bucket. Refresh. Okay, so here we go. There are two files you can see already created, backup in our S3 folder. And if you can see the time, it's 15:33 and now 15:34. Refresh, and if you can see 35 again every minute, after a minute the new file is going to get created. So that's it with the automation backup for MongoDB database into S3 bucket. Thank you so much.